Hi guys, now I'm discussing on compensation and benefits. This for HRM Sem 3. The first question is about factors that influence the compensation strategy. So, in the introduction part, to define what is compensation and what do you mean by compensation strategy. Post that there are different factors which would have direct or indirect impact on the compensation strategy. So it can be market position, geographical differences. So basically a person who's staying in Mumbai and person who's staying uh, in say Gujarat, in Ahmedabad, so both of them would have different compensation strategies. They will have different performance area on which the compensation would be given to them. Then there is current markets, so current situation of the markets. So if you are in a company where the markets are good, you will have better compensation. If you are into a company which has a bad market, of course you will not have proper compensation. Then there is pay mix. Then there is compensatory factors, internal equities, pay grade placements, pay compression, so many things to be mentioned. Now for HR, for HRM, if you Google search, there's a lot of data available on Google. You can pick up points from there. And then in the conclusion part, you mention how this compensation strategies would help a company in order to define its compensation strategy and attract and retain employees. Moving to second question is about international compensation packages. What are the components of international compensation packages? So first, to define what is international compensation. Post that, you'll have to mention the various components which are included while designing an international compensation package. So it can be your basic salary, it can be cost of living allowances, housing allowances, educational allowances, taxation, relocation allowances, insurance allowances, hardship premiums, stock options, bonus, gratuity, pension. Lot many things are there. Uh, I, I am feeling that there are so many points to discuss. Then there is social security benefits and there are other benefits. So these are the components which can be mentioned. Of course, you can Google search, you will get details. Uh, and then in the conclusion part, how the international compensation strategy helps the company in order to define a international compensation strategy for a person who's working in for people or for employees who are working at different geographical locations. Moving to third A, this is about salary survey. This company needs to do a salary survey. So you have to define what is salary survey, and then in the concept part, you'll have to define about the benefits that would be received on salary on performing a salary or a compensation survey. So basically, if you are into a company, so here the example is given about the Food and Health Private Limited, which is into uh, food chain business. So having a proper salary or a compensation strategy is very important, so that you can attract employees. So if you do a salary or a compensation survey, you will come to know that what are other competitors or the employees which are looking for a job would expect you to give uh, for as a salary. So suppose if I say I am a business analyst in a particular company, and I would definitely know that if one company is offering say 10 lakhs of package and the other company is offering a 12 lakhs of package, so if there is a third company which is coming up, it will first identify that okay, let us see what these two companies are giving to a BA, and post that they will define that at this particular level, uh, my budget is so much. So this is how the salary survey works. uh, in the second part, you have to third B, you have to explain the different types of survey. Salary survey, now here there is a catch. People say there is salary survey, and the question says types of survey. So yes, in the book there are two types of survey. You can refer that and you can detail about that, write some benefits of both, and then in the conclusion part you select as per you which type of salary survey is beneficial and why it is beneficial. So yeah, this is how you complete the compensation and benefits assignment. Thank you and best of luck.